Most of us are already familiar with the space monsters called black holes. But what do we know about another mysterious entity lurking in space called white holes? Scientists and researchers have been trying to unlock the mystery of white holes for years, but now they have a new agent to do that: the James Webb Space Telescope, which will discover the secrets about space which have been hidden until now. Hey everyone, welcome to Space Scientists. In today's video, we're going to talk about the neglected twins of black holes, called white holes, and how James Webb will prove their existence in space. So if you want to know more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. And before we start the video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. After the 30-year-long run of the Hubble telescope launched in 1990, scientists have a new hope for discoveries about space. This follow-up to the Hubble telescope is called the James Webb Space Telescope, and it is going to revolutionize the space industry with its new unique design and features. Astronomers have been studying the universe with the telescopes on the ground as well as in space for years. But with the new James Webb Telescope, we have this one shot to look at the universe in a different way. In partnership with the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency, NASA launched the Webb from Guyana on Christmas Eve last year. Right now, it's on its way to a point nearly 1 million miles away from the surface of Earth. With the James Webb Space Telescope now in orbit, the spacecraft will spend the next 5 months calibrating its instruments, and according to reports, the first images captured by the observatory will come around in summer this year. National Aeronautics and Space Administration promises that the new pictures captured by James Webb will be stunning and worth all the billions of dollars. The primary mission of James Webb focuses on 4 main areas: the first light in the universe, assembly of galaxies in the early universe, the birth of stars and protoplanetary systems, and planets, including the origins of life. It will stare billions of years into the past, taking us as close as possible to one of the deep space mysteries. This space telescope will discover the truth about white holes and uncover the deepest and darkest mysteries about these unknown entities in space. However, to understand white holes, it is important to know about black holes first. Black holes are thought of as massive, distant, and scary objects in space, which are the remnants of dying stars. These dark remnants have the gravitational pull so strong that if you get close enough, you will see that even light will bend to its will. Scientists and researchers have found various different big and medium-sized black holes, including the supermassive monster at the heart of our galaxy, which has also presented a long-standing mystery in astrophysics called the unicorn black hole. About this, Thirindu Jayasinghe said, implies that there are many more small black holes that we might find if we increase the volume of space that we searched. By studying the unicorn and other objects like it, researchers hope to get a clearer picture of what happens to stars in the final moments of their lives, and why some of them collapse to become black holes, while others leave behind dense stellar husks called neutron stars. So, how do you detect or find a black hole? No light can escape a black hole, and they can only be detected by indirect means. Most known black holes have been found by searching for the X-rays emitted when the invisible object pulls material off an orbiting companion star. As that material heats up in a dense ring around the black hole, and it emits radiation that can be detected with the X-ray telescopes. Now, how was this black hole's mass concluded? The velocity of the red giant, the period of the orbit, have been distorting the red giant revealed about the mass of the black hole, and how it was about 3 solar masses, or 3 times the size of the Sun. There has not been any discoveries about the black holes since the last decade, and the scientists were wondering if the systems and approaches used by them are not sophisticated enough. There was also another possibility of not finding the black holes, and it is that they simply do not exist. However, this confusion was removed after the discovery of the unicorn. Studying black holes and neutron stars is extremely crucial for scientists, since it tells them about the way stars form and die. However, finding black holes is extremely difficult, as the individual black hole doesn't emit the same energy rays that other objects emit in space. Most known black holes were discovered because they interacted with a companion star, which created a lot of X-rays, and those X-rays are visible to astronomers. Now that we have enough information about black holes, let's see how James Webb is going to prove the existence of their neglected twins, white holes. White holes are theorized to exist based on the very same math and general relativity concepts as black holes, and if you were to observe a white hole from a distance, it would look very much like a black hole functioning in reverse, with light and matter slowly spewing outwards from what would otherwise look like a black hole. It is theorized that nothing is able to penetrate past a white hole's event horizon, just as nothing can escape from within a black hole's event horizon. In addition, when it comes to black holes, simple concepts of time, space, mass, and density suddenly become much more complex. This is because they remain clouded in mystery, primarily due to the predictions and theories laid out in general relativity and Einstein's field equations. It is believed that the black holes enable time and space to be folded into themselves, so far that they depart entirely from our accessible reality. So, in theory, a white hole would be the reverse of time and space folding into themselves, perhaps even exiting as another side of a black hole that opens out somewhere else in the universe, or into a different universe entirely. Now, let's assume a scenario in which a black hole and a white hole came face to face and collide with each other, and what happens after the two monsters face each other in space. Scientists and researchers have many theories about it, but according to some experts, the encounter will have to happen quickly because white holes don't last long. And not lasting long is a relative term in space, where events take place for billions of years, so do not assume we are speaking of minutes or hours. So as these two massive forces approach each other, the black hole is an insatiable receiver while the white hole is an uncontrollable giver, which is truly a match made in heaven. However, when they collide, the white hole expelling everything is also being turned into energy for the black hole. And if you are thinking that the black hole is winning, then this won't be a quick battle for the black hole either. Considering the situation, the black hole can feed on the white hole for thousands of years, and as it keeps feeding, the black hole grows larger and larger, and eventually the black hole will completely swallow the white hole. And this was it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Do you think James Webb will be able to discover white holes? Share your views with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos about space. And thank you for watching.